Hi y'all, this is Tammy again. Today I'm going to review the BabeBox from Focallure.com. I'm just starting to use makeup. I'm an older woman, 49, and I have mature skin. And so for a very, very long time, I really stayed away from makeup and everything because of, everybody told me that it'll age your skin and so on and so forth. But now, as I'm getting older, I'm getting the wrinkles, the bags under the eyes, and the creases around the lips. So I've been trying some new products to try to combat that. So I ordered the BabeBox, my very first box, and I'm pretty excited about it, and I wanted to show you guys what I received. Well, anyway, this is the box that I received. So I'm going to take the items out, and I'll list them in my description below. If you haven't come to my page before, please subscribe. Like my video if you like it, and comment what you thought of the BabeBox if you're thinking about ordering the BabeBox. Every month you get new products, and you fill out a profile, beauty profile, regarding your skin tone. Oh, I can't talk today. On any problem areas you have, wrinkles, so on and so forth. Or you can, if you're not really a makeup person, you can fill it out more for skincare purposes, and they'll send you more skincare products. So I wasn't so into nail polishes and things of that nature, so I'll show you what I got in mine. Alright, the first product I get is a lip product, and I'll open this up. It's a crimson shade. Apparently they don't want me to get it out of the packaging. It's very hard. Okay, let me see. As you can see, it's Focallure. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. And like I said, it's shade crimson. And it's like a lip crayon. And I'll give you a little swatch so you can see what color, especially on my pale skin. I'm very pale. I have a lot of English European blood in my family, so I'm a burner. I don't tan in the summer. I also got a highlighting brush with a fishtail. My daughter already put in her request that she wants this. She's very she's very into highlighting. Okay, and let me see. The second product I got it just says eyes on it. And reading on the back, it says Volumizing Mascara. Again, I'll take it out. This is what it looks like. It says Bomb Lashes. Volumizing Mascara. I need to go back to speech school. I am screwing all my words up. I'll show you what the brush looks like, and I believe it would be in black because that's what I pretty much told them. And this is the brush. Looks pretty thick. I can't wait to kind of use it. I have very thin and short lashes. As you get older, your lashes thin out, and that is one of the problems that I'm having, is my lashes are thinning out, falling out, and breaking. And so I'm hoping by wearing mascara it'll help. I also got this, as it says, for eyes. It's an eyeshadow palette. These are the colors in the palette. Let me open the package so you can see what the palettes look like. I'm pretty excited about this box. This is my first box, and so your first box you get a discount. I don't remember exactly what discount I had gotten, but I believe I paid either the shipping on it, or I think it was like $8. I will look it up and put it down in the description. Also with a link if you're interested in signing up for your own box with a discount. Just to try it out, see what kind of products that you get. And like I said, these are pretty much, as you can tell, like full-size products. So you're not getting samples, you're getting the full-size products. Okay, and this is the palette. I'll put a couple colors on my arm so you can kind of see how pigmented it is. That's one of the shadows. That's on light skin. I'm trying to pick the dark colors because it'll show up so much more. Again, I mean, it seems pretty pigmented, so I'm sure it'll show up on you. With me and my light skin tone, I definitely need something pigmented. Last and not least, when I did sign up, I got the smallest box. I think it was five plus samples, and so this is the last item I got. It's a facial hyaluronic acid mask, moisturizing smooth facial mask, skin to make her present tender and smooth. And this is another thing my daughter had requested. She really likes the artwork on this. She's really into the 50s kind of style. So I was already told if I use the mask, she wants to keep the outside. So that's it for today. Like I said, if you're interested, I'm going to list the products in the description. I'm also going to put a link in there if interested. Get your box today. You're going to have totally different products than I did, and I'm sure you'll enjoy. I'm going to try all my products and actually maybe make a review on whether or not what I thought of the products, if I like them, if they're a thumbs up or a thumbs down. So please subscribe, stay tuned. I have some other videos coming up. I actually bought some makeup items on Wish and willing to try them out. And there's some name brand things in there too. So I'm really kind of curious on how they're going to rack up. So please subscribe for the new videos I'll be putting out, and I hope to see you then. Bye.